welcome to my crazy messy office. It's still being worked on and I'm working on making it beautiful. So I've got a ladder and I've got some stuff everywhere. Do you hear lots of noise? Yeah. So I'm sitting on the floor and I have my door closed because I wanted my animals to be in here, or at least some of them. And oh man, are they loud today. So we're going to work again on spelling sounds. All right. Myra has this bone. Look at how excited she is about it. Listen. Ew, it's slobbery. Do you hear the crinkle sound it makes? Could you spell crinkle? You could try for sure. All right. Did you hear the dogs when I threw it? They went roar, roar. They like to growl at each other when they're playing. They're just playing. They just sound mean and ferocious. So I have some paper and a marker. Let's spell that roar sound. What sounds do you hear? Let's see. I hear R, That could be an A or an AH. I will put this on Sadie. She doesn't know it's there. Maybe she does. All right, what about Myra? Listen, Myra. Myra. Do you hear them? They're going because they're super excited because they want to play right now. So they're going. What sound? How can we write? What letters makes that sound? I think that'll be an easy one to spell. I think it sounds like H, H, H. What do you think? Do you hear Myra's? Yep. Let's put it on her head. All right, now let's move over here. I have one more animal in here with me. What do you see up there? Can you see her? Let me see. Tiny cat. Hi, kitty. What do cats say? What do cats say? I'm going to put her sticky note right here because cats are not as friendly as dogs sometimes. And let me see. How can I do this? Don't get dizzy. I'm moving the camera a lot. All right, so we can say, she says, meow. Ooh, you see her yawn? She says, meow. Me. Oh, like the word me. Oops, do you see it? There we go. Me. Ow. Like saying, ow, that hurts. Meow. Tiny cat. All right. So those are some sounds we can spell. Let's see. A minute ago, I heard my phone go bzz, 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 because I think Miss Salazar was sending me a message, or maybe Miss Dowell. I don't know, or maybe my mom. So let's see. Let's put a label on my phone. It said bzz, 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 bzz. What sounds do you hear? I hear b. You see? B. Buzz. 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 All right, so that's another sound. Dog. All right, what about Simba? What sound, if he was a real lion, what sound would he make? Roar. Roar. Let's see. It might sound like R-O-A-R, roar. Or it might sound like R-A-R, roar. Roar. We'll put that on Simba. marker. Oops. Okay, so what sound does she make with her trunk? She's an elephant. Frog. Frog. I can't make an elephant sound. It's okay. I listened to some more elephant sounds trying to spell it. I didn't do very good, but that's okay because remember, we're just spelling sounds. It doesn't have to be words. These are not necessarily words, so you don't have to worry about spelling them right. You just write what you hear. Exactly. All right, so I hear, with the elephant sound, when I was listening some more, I heard B, R, G. Barg. It's not perfect, but that's okay. And I have an owl right here. The Glen Oaks owl. What does an owl say? So there's a couple different ways we can spell that. Put a sticky on her. We can spell it. Ooh. 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 You can spell it like the sight word, who. 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 You could spell it, sometimes people say that owls hoot. They say hoot, hoot, hoot. Oh, kind of messy writing. It's hard to write on an owl. You write hoot. All right. So I want you today, and you do have work today, I will put in Seesaw some pictures of some different animals. What you're going to do is you're going to try and spell the sound the animal makes. You're not writing the name of the animal. You're writing the sound the animal makes. Does that sound good? Does that make sense? Do you have to spell them right? Is there a right way to spell a sound? Maybe there are for some sounds, but for right now, we're not worried about that. I just want you to stretch out those silly sounds that you hear all over the place and try to spell them. And guess what? You can do it. I believe in you. Bye, my friends.